Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Hardeep, Solutions Engineer at Aeronex DJI Enterprise. In today's video, I will introduce you to some of the latest updates from DJI Enterprise, focusing on new features introduced across different drone platforms to improve real-time operations, inspection accuracy, and overall workflow efficiency. Let's get started. First, let's look at one of the most practical updates, public live streaming sharing. Previously, during large-scale operations like event, security, or emergency response, sharing the drone's live feed required logging into the DJI Flight Hub 2. This could slow things down, especially when working with external teams or stakeholders. The new update, once your aircraft is connected to Flight Hub 2, you can now start and share a live stream directly from the DJI Pilot 2 app. This makes real-time coordination much faster and more efficient, allowing teams on the ground to access the live feed instantly. Just keep in mind, live stream usage is calculated based on total viewing across all the users who are accessing the stream. Let's look at the major improvement for thermal operations. Regional temperature range adjustment, available on Matrix 4T and 4TD. Previously, when working with thermal cameras, temperature range adjustments could only be applied to the entire screen. This made it difficult to focus on specific areas of interest, especially in complex environments. With this update, operators can now select a specific range on the screen and adjust the temperature range locally. This means you can highlight temperature differences within a targeted area, giving you a much clearer and more detailed inspection view. In real-world scenarios, this is especially useful for power line inspections, where you can isolate and measure individual insulators, and certain rescue missions where identifying heat and signatures quickly is critical. Overall, this feature brings a much higher level of precision and control to thermal analysis in the field. DJI Dock3 also received a new update, which will allow operators to toggle the landing pad indicator lights. They can toggle it to on and off directly from the DJI Enterprise app. The second update in the DJI Dock3 is with the DJI Pilot 2 app. Now the operator have one thermal mode where the new dynamic isotherm adjustment is available. This adjustment will help to optimize the display based on the selected target. The health management system logic has also been optimized to reduce unnecessary FPV camera anomaly alerts during operations. Another key update is support for multi-dock operations through the O4 ground station connection. Zenmuse L3 also received a firmware update. So now, during LiDAR mapping missions, if low battery RTH is triggered, the aircraft can now automatically perform IMU calibration before returning to the home point. DJI added HEIF support for the visible light images in order to reduce the size of the visible light photos. A new point cloud compression feature has also been added for the LiDAR data in the Zenmuse L3 to reduce the data size. Also, as per the DJI, this update can actually reduce the total operational data size by around 15%. Now, in manual flight mode, the sampling rate can now be set to 350 kHz. If I talk about DJI Terra, now users will get a clearer visual feedback if the base station signal quality is affected after the reconstruction, and it will really help the processing operators to understand the accuracies in the dataset. So overall, these updates improve control, efficiency, data handling, and mission reliability across the entire DJI Enterprise workflow. Stay tuned for further updates and follow us for more.